rescues. Josh Gamble from the SES.
Alright, we'll put the ripper on, get rid of this big old cypress pine stump. Only as big as that 30-ton bucket, so it's big. Quick hitch. Double action quick hitch. I think they're work safe standard material in certain states of Australia. It has to be double action so it can't drop on people if you're drainage or utility work. See that tongue there going over the pin and it drops down into the there, and should be good to go. Yep. Rightio, it's going to be tough, these old buggers. That water pipe there that feeds all the troughs on the farm.